In this video, we are going to see how to fix microphone not working on Discord. For this, check the correct input device, open up Discord, click the setting option. The bottom side you have seen, click settings and go to voice and video, click it. Enter input device, select your mic. It may be Windows default. If you have one mic, it's okay. If you have two, three mic means you need to set it and click a mic test and you can speak and check after stop. So this is how to check. So after checking, close it and come to next method. Make sure Discord have microphone permission or not. For this open settings, click privacy and security settings, click microphone and click microphone access. It should be in turn on mode and let app access your microphone. It should be in turn on mode. Scroll down and check the Discord is available or not. Let desktop app access your microphone. Enter. If the three things are okay means you need to close it and the next restart Discord voice settings. For this open up Discord, go to settings. The bottom side you have seen settings option. Click it and click voice and video settings. Click it. In this you need to scroll down and last we have seen the reset all voice and video settings. You need to click reset and click OK. Once you clicking after it will reset the entire voice and video settings. After that you need to close it and the last one final step check your microphone in Windows. Go to settings, click system settings, click sound settings, click input. In input, you have seen the microphone array is there. You need to click it. And after clicking after, you need to check the format 48,000 hertz and microphone test. You need to start test and stop it and check and verify and confirm it. And make sure the test mode is default. And once confirming after, close it and restart your device. Thank you.